Community violence intervention programs, or CVIs, are an important part of reducing gun violence. These programs are able to apply a localized approach to prevent violence in their communities. On October 23rd, South Carolina organizations met at the State House. The event, hosted by Everytown for Gun Safety, brought attention to barriers that organizations face in providing services.
I'm really glad that we got to be here today to make sure that folks here at the State House know that there are barriers in access to funding for organizations like ours. It's not always an equitable funding process, that we understand not only how to do the work, but also how to write the grants. We just don't have the capacity that some of these larger organizations do have to write grants to go after funding while we're doing the boots on the ground work, right?
Representatives from the Department of Health and Environmental Control, the City of Columbia, law enforcement, and local violence prevention organizations attended. In South Carolina, lawmakers are exploring ways to help fund CVIs. This includes a budget amendment, which would create a grant program that would provide $5 million a year to help support CVIs.
I think that it's a multifaceted problem that is going to take big solutions and small ones. We certainly have legislation federally and locally that could help to impact gun violence in our community, but it's going to be our local leaders on the ground, the community leaders that are in churches, in youth groups and organizations that are going to really help to impact our community in terms of gun violence. We have programs that are doing the work, but they're not well funded, so we need to get those higher ups to start giving money to some of these grassroots efforts.